All right, YouTube fam. Menu today, we are going to cook some succulent chicken thighs that is right here in the bowl, ready to go. Here's all the ingredients that you are going to need. And as you can see what flavor we are going for right there, you guys. You can see the flavor that we are going for. Trust me, this is going to be some good chicken. Now, you guys, what I'm trying to figure out is if I want to bake this chicken. We're going to marinate it in all those seasonings overnight, but I'm trying to figure out, do we want to bake this chicken or do we want to braise this chicken in a big pot? I don't know yet, you guys. You guys stay tuned to find out. So fam, this is just gonna be crazy. When I tell y'all, this is gonna be some flavorful chicken. So what I'm doing, you guys, is just taking like my knife and just poking holes within the chicken thighs, just to assure that those seasonings is just gonna get all nice and penetrated all throughout that meat. And when I tell y'all we about to let this marinate overnight in the refrigerator, look at that chicken. And if you could smell it, that's so frito. Ooh, listen, y'all, it's about to be crazy. We go pair this with some yellow rice, with some pigeon peas. It's gonna be crazy. But that's what it's looking like. A whole bunch of nothing right now because it's marinating. But baby, oh, it's gonna be good, y'all. Oh, it's gonna be good. I'm telling y'all. Listen to me. But y'all, let's let this marinate and I will see you guys in the AM. All right, my YouTube fam, I just wanted to show you guys what that chicken is looking like. I let it marinate overnight. You guys, if you could smell how good this chicken smells before it hits the oven, y'all. Oh my God. Let me turn over a piece. Look at that. Just seasonings all through the chicken. I got a little bit of seasoning left over in the bowl, like the marinade. So I'm just gonna like flip the skin on these and just like, you know, let that marinade cook underneath the skin, y'all. So nothing goes to waste. But this is about to be some good eating, y'all. So I'm about to put these in the oven on 350, and I will let you guys know how long it took me to cook my chicken thighs to my liking, you guys. So stay tuned. All right, YouTube fam, look at the finished result, y'all. I cannot make this up. I got the juice down at the bottom, baby, where we just go baste that. Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all what I did. I baked it on 350 for about 2 hours because I be having to make sure my meat is done. And yes, it's still so juicy and so tender. Sorry, y'all, I keep hitting the thing. But I baked it for like 2 hours on 350. Uncovered. I did not add any juice in the pan. So it was uncovered on 350, no juice in the pan. It created its own juice, and that's what I'm using right now to baste it. So that's what that is looking like. Mouth-watering good, you guys. So let me pick up a piece. It's hot though. I want to show y'all. Ooh, it's so hot. But you know I want to rip one open for y'all. Woo! It's hot. It's hot. But woo! Woo! Woo, 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 woo. But as you can see, it's hot, but it is tender. It is done. It is juicy. It is moist. Alrighty. So we are gonna pair this with some veggies, some Spanish inspired rice. If you want to see how I make my Spanish inspired rice, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I got some sweet treats coming up for you guys. I got some game day appetizers coming up for you guys. You know, the Super Bowl is underway. It sucks because my team, The Bills got, you know, booted, but it's all good. I don't even want to talk about it. But you guys, I have some delicious stuff coming up for you guys, and everybody stay safe and stay blessed, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, to the channel, okay? Subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what's popping. Everybody stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah!